There are a number of accessories to go with your oil drain. One of the first ones I'd like to show is our splash pad. This goes right on top of the funnel. Just gives you the extra layer of protection when you have a little bit of oil splash coming from the used oil coming out of the vehicle. Another oil drain accessory from JohnDow, if you need a larger diameter funnel, is our funnel adapter. It takes your 16-inch diameter funnel and now turns it into a 24-inch diameter funnel. Simply rest it on top of the funnel, you're good to go. You can even incorporate your splash pad as well with that. If an even larger funnel size is needed, you can turn to the JohnDow Big Mouth Transmission Drain Pan Funnel Adapter. This turns your standard 16-inch JohnDow funnel into a 24-inch by 36-inch catch area. Also, can still be incorporated with the JohnDow splash pad.